Sixth History, Chapter 3 On the Trail of the Earliest People. Our Earth came into existence about 5 million ago, but life on Earth in the form of a plant and an animal appeared much later. The earliest man came in about 2 million year ago. It took thousands of years for human beings to change and evolve into what they are today. Till 3000 BC, early human used stone on a large scale for a various purpose and therefore this period is known as a stone age. यानी कि उस टाइम पे जो लोग थे वो स्टोन को काफ़ी इस्तेमाल करते थे हर तरह के पर्पस और हर तरह के काम के लिए, इसलिए उसे स्टोन एज कहा जाता था. The archaeologists have further divided the stone age into the Paleolithic period and Mesolithic period and Neolithic period. This is chapter we shall study mainly about the first two periods, means Paleolithic period and Mesolithic period. Here the Paleolithic period or Old Stone Age. Introduction. The term Paleolithic is derived from the two Greek words. Paleo means old and lithios means stone. This period extends from the 2 million ago to 12,000 year ago. Means ये 2 million years से 12,000 year ago तक का है. The entire Paleolithic period cover 99% of a human history. इसमें ही 99% जो है ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री कवर हो जाती है. दिस लॉन्ग स्ट्रेच ऑफ अ टाइम इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू लोअर मिडल एंड अपर पैलेलिथिक पीरियड. मतलब ये भी 3 भागों में डिवाइडेड है, लोअर मिडल और अपर. द अर्लीस्ट पीपल वाई वर दे ऑन द मूव. द अर्लीस्ट पीपल वाई वर दे ऑन द मूव, मतलब मूव यानी कि हमेशा मूवमेंट में क्यों रहते थे पहले के लोग. पीपल ऑफ दिस पीरियड वो हंटर गैदरर्स होते थे. दे लिव्ड इन द सब कॉन्टिनेंट फ्रॉम अराउंड 2 million years ago. They were known by this name because normally they gather food, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks and eggs. They hunted wild animal and caught fish and bird for their food. Plant produce was an extremely important mean of obtaining food. यानी कि जिन्हें हंटर गैदर इसलिए कहा जाता था क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ें ये गैदर करके लाते थे अपने खाने पीने के लिए. Why did hunter gatherers move? मतलब वो क्यों मूव करते थे. The hunter gatherers traveled on foot from one place to another for the following reason. मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने की उनकी वजह ये थी. They moved in search of new source of food. If they would have stayed at one place for a long time, they would have consumed all the available plant and animal resource of that place. यानी कि उनको नए खाने न्यू सोर्स के लिए मूव करते रहना होता था क्योंकि जितने टाइम वो एक जगह रहते थे वो वहाँ के सारे एनिमल और प्लांट वगैरह कंज्यूम कर लेते थे. दे मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस to another in the process of hunting. This was because they had to follow the movement of animal they want to hunt. मीन्स जो उनका पर्पस होता था एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने का हंटिंग होता था क्योंकि वो दूसरी जगह के मतलब पहली जगह जहाँ होते थे वहाँ के जो एनिमल्स हैं वो हंट कर चुके होते थे. सम ऑफ दीज एनिमल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर place to place in search of smaller prey, while other animals like deers and wild cattle move in search of grass and leaf. The early people also traveled from place to place in search of seasonal food. Since different plants and trees bear fruit in a different season, people might have moved from season to season in search of different kind of plant and fruit. यानी कि ये प्लांट और फ्रूट के लिए भी इधर से उधर जाते रहते थे. जैसे कि कुछ फल वगैरह सीजनल होते थे तो ये सीजनल ट्रैवल भी करते थे. दे माइट हैव मूव्ड इन सर्च ऑफ वाटर. People, plant and animal all need water to survive. Water is found in river, lake and stream. Although many river and lakes are perennial, that is water is available in them throughout the year. Other are seasonal during the dry season, the summer and the winter. People living on the banks of seasonal river had to go to distant place in search of water. यानी कि पानी के लिए भी इधर उधर जाते रहते थे. The early people might also have traveled to meet their relatives and friends. मतलब अपने दोस्तों से यारों से मिलने के लिए भी ट्रैवल करते थे. ओके, हाउ डू वी नो अबाउट पीपल. मतलब हम लोगों के बारे में कैसे जानते हैं. द आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट एविडेंस सजेस्ट दैट द हंटर गैदर यूज टूल मेड ऑफ स्टोन, वुड एंड बोन्स. परहैप्स द स्टोन टूल्स हैव सर्वाइव्ड द बेस्ट. जो स्टोन टूल्स होते थे वो ज़्यादा चलते थे. द पैलेलिथिक पीपल वर द फर्स्ट टू मेक स्टोन इम्प्लीमेंट. दे बिगन टू मेक crude, unpolished stone tools. Most of them were made up of rock called flint. Large pieces of stone were shaped into hammer, scraper and axe head. See this? flint tools. Okay, now making of a stone tools. Two different techniques might have been adopted by the hunter-gatherer for making stone tools. यानी कि दो तरह की टेक्निक इनके द्वारा इस्तेमाल की जाती थी. पहली तो है stone on stone. In this technique, the core pebble from which the tool was to be made, मतलब जिससे हमें टूल बनाना है, was held in the one hand. वो एक हाथ में होता था. Another stone that was used for hammer and held in another hand. जो एक दूसरा टूल मतलब जो एक दूसरा स्टोन है वो हैमर की तरह काम करता था, वो दूसरे हाथ में होता था. Thus the second stone was used to striking off flakes from the first stone. मतलब दूसरा जो स्टोन है जैसे आप पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हो, अब उसे पुश कर मतलब उस पर मार के उसको एक अच्छा टूल बनाएंगे. The process continued till the required shape was obtained. मतलब तब तक होता था जब तक एक शेप नहीं मिल जाती थी. Okay, pressure flaking. In this technique, the core pebble was placed on the firm surface like a rock. एक मतलब सीधी सपाट रॉक पे रखा जाता था. A piece of a bone or a stone was placed on the core pebble. Then a hammer stone was used and a place bone or stone to remove flakes so that it could be shaped into tools. These are the early tools. Now use of stone tools. अब stone tools का इस्तेमाल क्यों होता था? Stone tools were put to many uses. Some stone tools were used to chop fruit and roots, cut meat, bones and trees, scrape and root, cut meat, bones and trees, scrape bark from trees and hide animal skin. Means ये इन सब चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता था. Some of the tools like spears and arrow were used for hunting. They might have been attached to handle made of bones or wood. Some tools were used to chop wood that was used as a firewood. Stone tools might have also been used for digging the ground for getting edible roots. Some tools were used to chop wood and was used on a firewood. Some tools might have also been used for digging in the ground or getting edible root. These tools were also used for stitching clothes made out of animal skin. मतलब इस stone tools का इस्तेमाल इतनी चीज़ों के लिए early people कर लेते थे. The place where stones were found and where people made tools are known as factory site. मतलब उस जगह को factory site कहते थे जहाँ tools बनते थे और मिलते थे. Sometimes people lived at factory site for a long duration. Such site were called habitations cum factory site. यानी कि कुछ वहाँ पे कुछ लोग लंबे समय के लिए वहाँ रहते भी थे. Finding out about fire. अब लोगों ने fire कैसे मिली? The greatest achievement of these people was the discovery of fire. In course of a time, people discovered that striking two stones together could make fire. जब पता चला कि दो stone को एक साथ मतलब strike करने से हमें क्या मिलेगी? फायर मिलेगी. Although this was an accident discovery, but a very important one for this age. Accidental थी पर इनके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी थी. Perhaps two stones were stuck together while shaping a tool, which held on some dry leaves and caused fire. मतलब ऐसा हुआ कि tools बनाते हुए, stone tool बनाते हुए कि एक से एक टकरा गए. तो क्या हुआ फिर जो जितनी भी ड्राई लीव्स वहाँ पड़ी थी उसकी वो चिंगारी जाकर उन ड्राई लीव्स में लग गई और उससे एक आग लग गई. तब उन्हें पता चला कि ऐसे फायर क्रिएट की जा सकती है. इन इंडिया traces of ash have been found in the Kurnool cave. We can see that on map. Now use of fire. Fire had many use of human being. मतलब फायर का इस्तेमाल ह्यूमन बींग के लिए काफ़ी था. It could provide them light in the dark. It gave them heat and kept them warm when it was cold. It was kept burning at the entrance of a cave to scare away wild animal. It was always used to cook meat. The cooked meat thus becomes softer, tastier and easy to eat. Used as a weapon for the protection from wild animals. Now here are some paintings and art. So rock painting. The primitive people were great artists. They painted generally on the wall of a cave in which देखिए cave painting है ये, in which they live. Most of these paintings are either of animal or hunting scene. That is, they show animal chase, especially big animal. They use charcoal, mineral stones and natural color found in the trees for painting. They probably painted to express their feeling. They also imagined that वॉट एवर दे कुड पेंट द माइट कम ट्रू, मतलब उन्हें लगता था कि अगर कुछ भी पेंट करेंगे तो वो सही हो जाएगा, मतलब रियलिटी हो जाएगी। दिस पेंटिंग इज ड्रॉन विद अ ग्रेट एक्यूरेसी एंड स्किल, मतलब बहुत अच्छी स्किल के साथ और एक्यूरेसी के साथ ये बनाते थे। मध्य प्रदेश एंड साउदर्न उत्तर प्रदेश आर द रीजन वेयर सम ऑफ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सच पेंटिंग हैज़ बीन फाउंड, मतलब आप इस तरह की पेंटिंग्स वहाँ देख सकते हैं। वर्क डिवीजन अमंग द हंटर गैदरर्स, we have studied that the early men hunted animal gatherer, plant producer, made stone tool and painted on cave wall. Through at present we cannot definitely say as to which of these work were done by men or women. There might be following possibility, मतलब जो वर्क डिवीजन थे ऐसा नहीं होता था कि कौन सा मैन और कौन सा वुमेन करते थे, तो ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं। इट पॉसिबल दैट मैन एंड वुमेन माइट हैव डन मैनी ऑफ दीज थिंग टुगेदर, मतलब कुछ साथ में ही करते होंगे। इट इज़ ऑल्सो पॉसिबल दैट सम टास्क सच एज गैदरिंग प्लांट प्रोड्यूस वर डन ओनली बाय वुमेन एंड अदर लाइक मेकिंग स्टोन टूल वर परफॉर्म बाय मैन, मतलब जैसे टूल बनाना आदमियों का काम होता था और फूल पत्ते और फल इकट्ठे करना औरतों का। It is possible that different practice could have existed in the different part of the subcontinent. Okay, now religions belief means there are some religions also. Although the early people had no specific religious belief, yet they were cautious and afraid of the natural forces. To protect themselves from these natural forces, they probably began to perform some religious rites. Thus, early man's religions grew out of his fear and ignorance. Some of their beliefs are they worship nature is in almost all forms. They worship the sun, the moon, the stars, the rain, and the animal like tiger and snake. They were afraid of the storm, thunder, and lightning. They considered these to be an expression of divine anger. So they become to worship these forces in the order to please them. मतलब इसलिए करते थे ताकि उन्हें खुश रख सकें। Okay, they also worship their ancestor after their death. This was because they feared that if the ancestor got angry, they would create trouble for them. यानी कि मतलब उनके जो बड़े बूढ़े मर जाते थे उनकी भी पूजा करते थे। उनको ये होता था कि अगर वो खुश नहीं होंगे तो वो उनको ट्रबल करेंगे। Early people started to bury the dead along with all his belonging, tools and eatables. They thought that he and she might need them in the next world. Believe in some magical power. A changing environment, Mesolithic period or the Middle Stone Age. This period began from about 12,000 years ago and ended about 10,000 years ago. Environmental change. This was the period around which major environmental change took place. Around 12,000 years ago, the climate of the world shifted to a relative warm condition. As a result, grassland developed in many areas. Thus, in turn, lead to an increase of those animals that survive on a grass, for example deer, antelopes, goat, sheep and cattle. Beginning of domestication. In the process of hunting, people followed these animals. They learned about their food habits and their breeding season. Gradually people began to think about herding and rearing these animals. Fishing also became important during this period. Now, idea about growing crops. Due to environmental change, several grain-bearing grasses such as wheat, barley, and rice grew naturally in the different part of the subcontinent. People probably collect these grain as a food and then learned where they grew and when they ripened. In due course of time, this gave birth to the idea of growing plants on their own in a systematic way. Now, advanced stone tools of the period are generally tiny and therefore called microlithics. Microlithics were probably stuck on a handle made of bones or wood to make tools such as saw and sickles. At the same time, old variety of tools were used by microlithic man. Now, Neolithic period or New Stone Age. Okay, this period is from about 10,000 years ago for the 4000 BC is known as the Neolithic period. We shall study about in the next chapter. मतलब इसके बारे में हम अब अगले चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे। तो इस चैप्टर में इतना ही, बाकी के लिए सुनिए सनराइज इंटरनेशनल।